Install replacement windows that work for you. Your home can be your castle, your refuge, your best friend, a place that works for you, saves you money, and builds up your wealth, or it can seem like a black hole of expenses. If you open your hydro bill with dread, layer on the sweaters all winter long thanks to the drafts, or refuse to cook in the summer because your kitchen is a greenhouse, it may be time to replace old, drafty windows and invest in energy-efficient replacement windows. They help make your home more comfortable in all seasons and reduce your energy bills. Well-designed, smartly placed, energy-efficient windows will improve your quality of life at home, help you reduce household expenses, and deliver a competitive return on investment compared to other home renovation projects. As time goes on, windows degrade. The weather stripping ages and comes loose. The seals fail, they begin to fog or frost up, eventually leading to mold. Wood frames can begin to rot. Roto-operators can loosen and fall off on casement windows. The color of vinyl frames can fade due to sun bleaching. They can become stiff and difficult to open over time. As a general rule of thumb, windows should be replaced every 15 to 20 years, although if you live in an older home with its original windows, you may want to consider repairing them instead, especially if the frames are wood. You may need to bring in someone who can repair the sash and add weather strip. However, if repair is impossible or impractical, Kitchener window and door suppliers like Golden Windows sell contractors, builders, and homeowners wood and wood-clad frames that are ideal for cottages, log cabins, and heritage homes. When you're replacing the windows in your home, there are several options available to you that can improve your quality of life and reduce your long-term expenses. Energy-efficient windows have become a popular solution to the rising costs of hydro. Make no mistake, despite election cycle promises to reduce consumers' hydro bills, the cost of producing electricity increases every year. Your home will outlive plenty of governments and pocketbook issues of the day. Think in the long term and start reducing your energy consumption now. Not only will you be doing your wallet a favor, you will also cut down on the very same emissions that have been responsible for smog days across the province. In Kitchener, you can find energy-efficient windows from a supplier like Golden Windows, a local manufacturer that also practices environmentally responsible manufacturing. They make all of their products locally in Kitchener, use responsibly sourced wood from managed forests, and recycle all of their metal and wood waste. They also offer professional installation for homeowners who need to replace their old and worn-out windows. If you want to find the best replacement windows in Kitchener, you should also look for the Energy Star sticker, a sign that the product performs to globally regulated standards. Your home should be an investment, something that works for you to save money and appreciate over time. When you let wear and tear build up over time, your home becomes a constant effort to patch things up, costing you more money in the long run. Instead, fix things right the first time and invest in top quality replacement windows.